God is saying to you today, get ready, I am going to surprise you. I have already chosen the right people for you. I have already lined up the healing, the freedom, and the promotion. It's going to happen suddenly when you did not see it coming. God is saying to you tonight, give me the problem and go to sleep. I will make a way for you. I did it before and I will do it again. When you wake up, you will be refreshed, renewed, and ready for the new day. 11:11. Things are about to change for you. May any dark thoughts, overthinking, and doubt exit your mind right now. May clarity replace confusion. May peace and calmness fill your life. You have been strong long enough. It's time to start receiving your blessings. You deserve it. Type Amen if you believe in God and also subscribe the channel.